Toyota has brought me out to Long Beach, California for the reveal of the GR Corolla. I cannot believe this vehicle is coming to our shores. It's also coming to overseas. I don't have confirmation on what countries, but yeah, we have pro drifters here with the car. And what we have in front of us is the special launch edition that'll be available in 2023. The core edition back there will be available at the end of this year. I will be driving this for you guys probably at the end of summer, maybe early fall, to give you guys driving impressions. But I gotta stop and look at this triple exhaust here. Now, with this launch edition, this circuit edition, we have a glossy black rear. And when we get to the front, you'll see the glossy black there as well. GR Corolla badge looking just like it's meant to be there. Now, this also has the forged carbon fiber roof. We also have this exclusive huge spoiler here that the core edition does not have. Get on the inside. Now, this is a prototype here. We do have nice soft touch, some red stitching, and some glossy black, very traditional Corolla. This one also has the suede seats. So I'm gonna head to the core edition because that one's getting so much attention. And Sophian's checking out the 1.6 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged with 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. Made it only to the 6-speed manual and made it only to the all-wheel drive system. Now, this core model you can get with a performance package that essentially makes it like this car, just doesn't look as menacing, also doesn't have the carbon fiber roof, but the painted brake calipers, and we also have the same wheels on each car here. You gotta love the side gills. They just look so cool. And yes, you can put my fingers in here. They are functional, they are real. And the GR badge bringing even more attention to that side gill. Coming around the back, another signature piece here is a GR4. That is their trademark name for their all-wheel drive system that came out in the GR Yaris. And this is in the supersonic red. One of the few colors. There's only 3 colors, I believe, on each model they can get. The one over there is the heavy metal. It's exclusive to the Circuit Edition. Again, unlike the Circuit Edition, we have matte black in the back here. I have to say the glossy black does look better compared to this, but this I would say, because this is a little bit more dull, literally the exhaust does stick out a little bit more. There's more attention to the exhaust compared to the glossy black back end of the Launch Edition, Circuit Edition. Can't wait to sit in there. Ed's in there right now with Austin Evans. He has an amazing computer YouTube channel, big fan of his. I'm just gonna sit in the back seat with him because why not? I'm coming in, guys.
Hello.
How's it going?
Put it in EV mode?
Yeah. Unbelievable. It's also a hybrid. So this one has a cold weather package because it also has the heated seats up front.
Oh, yeah.
Is there a heated steering wheel button that you see? Oh, it is. It's on the left. It's behind the steering wheel.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
There it is. So this has pretty much all the features in it. I don't think it has the JBL though, which
it's not branded, so I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think it is because typically the JBL's in like in the A-pillar. They have an extra tweeter up there.
You can definitely notice it.
Yeah.
How do you have room back there?
You know, luckily Ed's not that tall, so I have great leg room.
This is about where I'd sit.
Yeah. I actually have perfect leg room. And Ed, how tall are you?
5'7".
5'7", yeah. Your feet look really good on the pedals there.
Yeah.
It's a nice shifter.
I met Ed last week at the launch at N event, and he's so fast on a track.
Yeah.
He's impressive. But it's cool seeing the minimal screen. You know, definitely an upgrade compared to the outgoing model.
It's about the same size, but I guess it just had the upgraded sort of
new
like
software. They took all the auxiliary buttons out that looked real tacked on.
Yeah.
No sunroof in here, but you know, that's okay. It keeps it lighter. Is there anything you can do to turn the screen on? Like the MID?
Let's see.
Can you press the GR button?
Probably
Key not to kill. Oh man, they're like those troublemakers are gonna get in there. Yeah, the troublemakers are gonna get in there and try to drive the car away. So we won't get to see the 12-inch digital display there, but just look how tiny this engine is. There's still space underneath the hood here, and this is still warm. I'm feeling the warmth of the G16E engine. It feels great. It's a pretty cool engine cover too as well. We're gonna head,
That'd be great.
Yep. Man, it's so hard for creators to not only hear themselves, but to have uninterrupted performances as they detail the cars. I'm a little bit more casual. I can give you guys pretty much all the details without being too serious, and you guys know that's my channel. So can't stop looking at the heavy metal Corolla right here. It's just dream come true, guys. And thank you, because without your support, I wouldn't have been able, or I wouldn't have been invited out to this event to cover this iconic, it's already an instant legend in my opinion. Instant legendary status. Up there with the Mark IV Supras, up there with the GR Yaris, which is already legendary, but this is one that is not forbidden. This is for us, and I can't wait to get inside the GR Corolla. Getting in the driver's seat of this heavy metal special edition launch edition. This still actually has the old screen where the core edition over there had the updated screen to it. This one has the IMT button, as well as the other one actually had an EV button here. So these are totally prototypes. What's really cool is that this has Akio Toyota signed on here. So this is an early shifter. The new shifters will say his racing name, his incognito name, which is Morizo. You gotta love the traditional handbrake here, love the red stitching. And in this particular model, again, it's prototype, so we have some red stitching, but more red stitching will probably be on the production version of the dash, as well as the trim around the vents. Now, this will be updated to the newest Toyota interface, so all these buttons will be gone. It'll be touch only, wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay. And also on this model will be, what we don't see here, you'll have switches here for heated seats. That'll be standard on this model, optional on that model with the cold weather package. Also standard on this will be the heated steering wheel. So they're kind of actually a mix match of each other. Some features on that car actually belong in this car and vice versa. Now, in the core model, that has the digital MID on it. This car will have the digital MID, but what we have here is placeholder. Like, I don't remember seeing these gauges at all on the manual transmission Corolla. So we have a really nice steering wheel here, pretty small, not the girthiest. You guys know I prefer girthy steering wheels. Nice GR badge indented into the pillar here on the steering wheel. And the shifter has shorter throws. So as I'm rolling through these gears, they do definitely feel snappier and a little bit closer together compared to what it was on the standard manual transmission Corolla that I was in a couple weeks ago. You have different sport modes here. So you see sport and track. Sport is going to, well, you have normal as well. So normal's front wheel drive 60%, rear wheel drive 40%. Sport is rear wheel drive 70%, front wheel drive 30%, and track is going to be 50-50 split between each wheel. Also in this vehicle is the standard limited slip differentials on both the front and rear. Now, what's also cool on this particular model, not the GR4 and the heavy metal paint, but we also have, let me get around this guy, the unique hood. We have the big hood bulge on here. Everyone likes a good bulge. And we have ventilated hood right here. You guys put my finger in, it's real. It's actually real. So gotta love, I mean, I can't take my eyes off this vehicle. I mean, the core edition's cool. And this one's really cool, of course, but we don't know pricing. So yes, this one, of course, is going to look better and get more attention, but if it costs like 10 grand more, maybe not worth it. So definitely stay tuned for pricing. Like I said, I will be driving this car later this year, late summer, more than likely. Very, very excited. Can't wait to sprinkle in all sorts of B-roll that I haven't taken yet. But what an experience here in Long Beach, California. The Grand Prix is going to be here in just a couple days. So it's pretty cool to be here with the GR Corolla, guys. It's a dream come true just to be here. And it's a dream come true for car fans, traditional car fans, gearheads, that we have something this special coming to our shores. And long live the GR Corolla, long live the GR86, and long live the GR Supra. I hope Toyota makes these racing-inspired cars for many, many years to come. But signing out from Long Beach, California, guys, thank you so much for supporting me and the channel, making my dreams come true. Peace out.